Hello, welcome to the Big Bank Forex Academy, and in this video I'll be showing you how to install moving averages manually. Now when we are done with our installation now and this lesson, the moving average should be looking exactly like this. The way these ones are looking, these four moving averages are looking, they're looking exactly like this. Now what you do first is to go to your let's get this out first. Let's get them out. Now what you do first is to go to indicators list here. Then normally the moving average might not appear here on your own mt4 because you've not used it before. Because I've been using it, I'll be applying it, that's why it appears here. So normally on that trend, you go to trend and go to moving average and you click on it. You can see parameters, levels, visualization. These parameters is where the main editing is done. Under these parameters, next is levels. We don't really do anything here. The next is visualization. Visualization here just shows you or enables you to pick the particular time frames that you want your moving averages to show you. Now as you can see here, all time frames are picked, so any moving average I place on the chart will be shown on all time frames. But let's say I don't want it to be shown on all time frames. I'll untick it and maybe I want it to be shown only on the daily. I'll take only the daily and click OK, and it will be shown only on the daily. If you go to the weekly, if you go to the 1 minute, you won't see it. As you can see it, you won't see it. Go to other time frame, you won't see it. Let's go back to the daily. Now let's go back to our editing now, but because we want our moving averages to be shown on all time frames, so we tick all time frames. Now let's go back to parameters where the main editing is done. Now the first moving average what the plotting will be have a period of 33. You leave the shift 0, you just leave the shift at 0. Then the MA method, I normally use simple moving average. I don't change, I use simple, but you can just play around and check the others. We have exponential, we have smooth, we have line weighted, as you can see. So, and if you change the MA method, you see that the moving average will change in a way. So let's just click exponential. Okay, I can see that the moving average is changed. Let's go back and click smooth. I can see that the moving average changed. Let's go back and click linear weighted. You can see that the moving average changed. But we'll just keep it simple. Also, when you go to your apply to, you can see close. Normally use close, but you can just play around. If you go for open, so that your moving average changed. You go to high, so that there's a change in the moving average too. Go to low, so that there was a change. Go to median price, so that there was also a change. If you put it at typical price, you see that there was a slight change here. If you put it on weighted close, you see that there's also a slight change here. If you put it on previous indicators data, okay, this is not necessary. We just go back to the previous indicator data. We're going to be just using close for the sake of this video, and that in fact that is just the way I trade. I use close moving averages for my moving averages settings. Then for the color here is yellow, but the color I'll be using will be light sky blue. Let's go to it. Light sky blue is it. I'll take it. Now here will just be the style that you want the moving average to be. You can see broken lines, other lines, and broken lines. If I want it to be in a broken line, you just go tick here and you can see moving average is not in a broken line. But personally I just love the lines being straight. I don't like really like broken. I just like it being thick normally, made thick normally. So let's now go to the thickness. You can determine how thick you want it to be here. If it's thick here, that's okay. You see that it's very thick now. I'll go back, click here. This is just the thickness, but we'll be using the smallest thickness, which is this. So this is how you install your moving average, and these are use the settings. So let's go ahead and install the remaining ones. The next one we are going to be installing will be the 7, and the color we're going to be using for the 7 will be lime, as you can see. The next moving average we're going to be installing will be 14, and the color we're going to be using for the 14 moving average will be red. So the next moving average we're going to be using will be 60, and the color for the 60 moving average will be salmon, which should be, I suppose, here. As you can see, we've installed our moving averages back. Let's increase the thickness of this one, this 7. Increase the thickness to like here, as you can see, the 7 and 14. Increase the thickness, and this is how my moving averages normally look on my chart. This is exactly how my moving averages normally look on my chart. So thank you guys for watching this video. Till my next video, I say goodbye.